back to our YouTube page. Today we're going to go over the Gen 1 Crosstrek lift kit. This is a 1.5 inch lift kit. Today we're just going to give you a breakdown of all the components that come in this box here. Alright, so included in the kit you have the front strut spacers. You also get the rear strut spacers. They look a little bit different. You get 2 studs on there rather than 3. There's also another tip and trick. If you keep scrolling through our videos, sometimes these are not perfectly parallel, so you might have to tap them in or tap them out. Keep going through our videos, you'll find another tip, I guess you could call it, that'll help you out with fixing that. We often get the question, do our kits include a cradle drop? Yes, our Gen 1 Crosstrek kit does come with a cradle drop. Also included, we have these brake line relocation tabs so that when your vehicle is at full droop, you're not overextending your lines and you don't have to worry about your lines either kinking, breaking, tearing, or nothing crazy happening. So these right here will relocate them, push you up about 1.5 to 2 inches. So these are included in our kit. And you also get just a baggie with all the hardware that you're going to need to install this kit here. So there you have it. That's what the kit includes. And if you're wondering about the install and if you could do it at home or should you take it to a shop, it's a fairly easy install. It'll take you 2 to 3 hours at the most. We have an install guide here. We also have a YouTube video that shows you step by step on how to go about the install. If you're wondering what tools you'll need in the install guide, and you'll also see it somewhere here on the screen, we have a cool little tool list that shows you everything you're going to need in order to install this kit at home. So this wraps up our Crosstrek 1.5 inch lift kit for the Gen 1. If you guys have any questions, whether it's about install, components, or anything else that you may have regarding this kit here, shoot me an email. My email is bruno@rykavs.com. You'll also see it somewhere in the description or somewhere below here. Thanks for watching.